Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be comparing the Chefman air fryer and the Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo. Both of these products are great options for those looking to cook healthier meals with less oil. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel to see more product reviews. The Chefman air fryer offers 5 cooking functions: air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast. On the other hand, the Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo offers 12 functions for air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and more. So, if you're looking for more options, the Cosori would be a better pick. Both products use rapid air heating elements for cooking fast and even food. However, the Cosori is equipped with 6 heat elements and a 2-speed fan, allowing it to cook up to 30% faster than traditional ovens. So, if you're looking to save some time, the Cosori would be the better option. The Chefman air fryer has a large 10-liter capacity, making it great for family-sized meals or meal prepping. However, the Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo has a capacity of 26 quarts, 25 liters with 2-layer even cooking, making it capable of fitting up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken. So, if you're looking for more capacity, the Cosori is definitely the one to go for. While both products have easy-to-use touch control screens, the Cosori takes it one step further with its smart features. With the VSync app, you can make meals at the touch of a button or use hands-free control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. So, if you're looking for a product with smart features, the Cosori is the one to pick. Both products have removable drip trays and dishwasher-safe parts. The Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo also has an external removable crumb tray to prevent backflow of soup. However, the Chefman air fryer has less surface area and fewer parts to clean, making it slightly easier to clean. So it depends on your preference. The Chefman air fryer is priced at $139, while the Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo is priced at $149. While the Cosori is slightly more expensive, it offers more features and a larger capacity, making it a good value for money. And that concludes our comparison of the Chefman air fryer and the Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo. Both products have their own strengths and weaknesses, so it depends on your preference. Which product do you think is the better pick? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.